Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at basic print commands and variable assignment in Python. So they're both pretty easy and they'll be pretty easy to understand for you guys, so we'll just get right into it. We're going to start with a print command. What you need to do is type print and then in round parentheses, do double quotations. You don't want to type whatever you want to print, so I'm just going to write, this is a print command. Sorry. Oops. Enter. So as you guys can see, this is pretty easy, no confusion, and that's all the time I'm going to spend on that because it's really easy. Now we're going to move on to variable assignments, which will be the majority of the lesson today. So a variable assignment, first you want to name the variable. What you want to do is just give it any name. I'm going to go with a scenario that we have students in a class, so I'm going to name it student. Then you're going to do an equal to symbol, and I'm going to say, I'm going to find out if they're a boy or a girl. So I'm just going to put boy for student. Whenever I call it again, boy will come up. So this is how you assign one variable. You can also assign an integer. Let's say I have student age. I can just assign an integer, 11. So now when I call student age, it'll give me 11. So these are one assignment variables. Now let's move on to something else. This is called multiple assignment. Look what I'm going to show you, and it helps if you have more than one variable to assign at a time. So let's say I have multiple students. Student 1, student 2, and student 3. That's how I'm going to write them. Equals 2, and then you want to do it respectively. So student 1 is what? Student 2 is what? Student 3 is what? So I'm going to say student 2 is boy. Student 2 is girl. And student 3 is girl. So when I enter that, student 1, boy, student 2, girl, student 3, a girl. So this is how you do multiple assignment, and it really helps if you say if you have 7 or 8 variables to do, you can do it quickly in one line instead of writing it out every single time here. So now I'm going to show you the same thing with integers. Let's say I'm a store owner and I have milk, eggs, and let's say bananas. I'm going to set this equal to. You can do this with integers too. 12, let's say 24, and 30. Enter. So now when I go milk, 12, eggs, 24, bananas, 30. So this is basically the same thing, just with integers. And now I'm going to say, what if we got a shipment of milk and eggs in the store? So now we have 30 milks and 30 eggs and 30 bananas. So how you do that is, what you want to do is milk equals to eggs equals to bananas. And what you really want to take into account here, the most important thing, is that bananas is last. This is because that is a value that you want to change it to. So if milk was last, everything would be 12. If eggs was last, everything would be 24. But when bananas is last, everything is 30. So when I enter that, I get milk, 30, eggs, 30, bananas, 30. Another thing is, what if I have 3 things that are new variables that I want to set equal to immediately? So let's say I have snacks, ice cream, and cookies. And I want to set this equal to, you don't do commas, you do snacks equals to ice cream equals to cookies. Then you do equals to whatever number you want. Let's say I have 20 of each. Enter. Snacks is now 20. Ice cream is now 20. And cookies is now 20. So now we have covered print commands and basic variable statements. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.